Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a draft from your YouTube app. So you've created a draft in your YouTube app and you want to delete it. Then let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up the YouTube app. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign to post a short. We'll go ahead and upload a video. So for example, this one here, tap done. And now let's say we want to now save this as a draft. So we'll press X, save it as a draft. And now the draft has been saved. To access that draft, go ahead and tap on the plus sign. And at the bottom right, you'll see drafts. Go ahead and tap on that. And now here you'll see all the available drafts on your YouTube app. So to delete a certain draft, go ahead and tap on the three dots, then tap on delete, and that draft will be deleted forever. So there you go, guys. That is how to delete drafts on your YouTube app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.